Welcome back everybody to another video. So now, if you guys don't know, I came back from my trip to Sydney and a lot of things happened in just those 5 days. I got a cool tripod. I scratched up my shoes. And I'm sure more things happened, but I don't really remember anymore. Alright, so I've been busy lately and I haven't been uploading as frequent, but I'm back. And I've done something that's never been done before in Australian ShoeTube. I made a sneaker shopping video that takes place in 2 cities. Like bruh, this video took me like a week in total to film, so you better leave a like down and subscribe if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I went to a lot of stores. There was like 5 Foot Lockers, there was like 2 secret sneaker stores, Nike and Adidas outlets, and yeah, so I didn't really vlog too much because I wanted to focus more on spending time with the family. Yeah, but I did come up with some pretty cool footage, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, we're almost at the Sydney Opera House. Almost there. Bro, I've been walking for like 1 hour. But we are almost there, bro. Like, I think that's right. I can see the sails. So we're like almost there. Bro, if I didn't have Adidas Boost, this trip I wouldn't even make it on this trip. I don't know, but when you go on a trip, it's just these experiences, this is why you go on freaking trips, bro, because of the experience. You don't just go to you don't go to think just to buy sneakers. Like, bro, where's my parents? All of a sudden, fam. Yeah, but you gotta have these experiences one day. Alright, we just got out of secret sneaker store as usual, overpriced as hell, man. I couldn't even copy. I couldn't even get some red BOGO stickers for like $5, bro. They sold out. It's like that's the only thing that people can afford, bro. Fuck me, man. So like, I don't know. I'm just waiting. I wanted to cop the Royals. I've been wanting them for so long, but no. Alright, man. Got some good visuals though. We have the super bronze, man. These are flames. Rare. These are fire, man. They have them in stock. Saturn 5s. It's so crazy good quality. Oh, the dark Concord 6s. I don't know, man. I've got an Air Jordan tag on the side as well. I don't know. Not really feeling. Alright guys, something bad happened. So basically we are like on like a little picnic. I went to go and climb up the some sort of rocks so you could try and get a photo, for the Instagram, you can follow me right there. But when I climbed up on the rock, my Pumas, they just got wrecked. So
look at this dude.
but like the leather actually got ripped off, and I am sad. So if in the think about it, I think it was worth it because the Instagram photo will be freaking flames. So yeah, I don't know. I don't want to really vlog that much because it's family time. So this vlog might be really short. But I'll maybe add something in, like maybe one of those Melbourne shopping vlogs from City. So I went to the Off-White store as well. I saw them stuff. So yeah. Altitudes for $190, retails $280. The Jordan 13 altitudes. Kith Ultra Boost vibe. I'll have a photo right there. But you know, Kith Ultra Boost vibe, you know, 180. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. School's almost here, so I don't know what my upload schedule is gonna be, but I will be uploading pretty frequently for you guys. I'll be doing a lot of how-to, like, you know, how to be a sneakerhead. I mean, I already done that. Yeah, so I'll be doing a lot of, you know, how to be a hype beast, but for cheap. So not all of us have money handed to them, so we need this frugal hype beast clothing, you feel me? So yeah, please leave a like, please comment, and please subscribe. Peace.